X account of Reuters has been withheld in India, citing a legal demand, though the reason remains unclear as of now. Look at the visuals on your screen. The Reuters World X account is now inaccessible in the country. Now, other affiliated handles also remain active, but the Reuters World is inactive. Look at the visuals on your screens. It's inactive as of now. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us with the details. Sabyasachi, what is the reason for the Reuters account being suspended? What are the details?
Well, Pratibha, see the Reuters account which has been suspended in India. Now, various news was going around citing that because of legal action, this Reuters account has been withheld in India. But as per the sources from within the government of India, see, the government of India clearly stated that they have nothing to do with this particular ban on the social media account of Reuters. In fact, this matter solely pertains to Reuters' technical backend. In fact, Reuters are in touch with their US counterpart to solve this issue. But what is more important to note is that the government of India has clarified that they have nothing to do with the withheld of Reuters' social media account in X in India.
Okay, all right. But we have politics that's already brewing over the same. We have, in fact, politics playing out with Rahul Gandhi calling it politics and calling it a bid to suppress. Now, after what you're looking at your screens, the Reuters account was suspended. We have Rahul Gandhi saying that this is suppression of voices within the country.
Reuters is not Chinese agency, it is British agency, and if government of India has taken such steps to ban Reuters, as I think you remember that they have taken steps against BBC also, it is not good. It will damage our democratic values and system in the whole of world. So government should give second thought to it.
Now, let's take a look at some of the reactions that are coming in. In fact, Atul Londo has also taken to social media X to say that one of the world's leading news agencies, Reuters, has been banned in India. He, in fact, goes on to say, दुनिया की प्रमुख समाचार एजेंसियों में से एक Reuters को भारत में प्रबंधित कर दिया गया है. And then he has put a picture of the Reuters handle being inaccessible in India. My colleague Pragya is also joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pragya, government sources saying that it is an issue with X which is currently being resolved on social media platform, but it looks like in no time politics has already begun, with the Congress party claiming that it has been done by the government. It is an attack on the news outlets in the country.
Well, the government of India sources have told us that this has nothing to do with the government. Government did not ask anyone to block Reuters and not in fact X. And in fact, it seems like a technical issue on part of the X. And in fact, this is being resorted while X is also, in talks with their US counterparts. But we have also been told that there are other handles that are still available.
Okay, so the handle has not been asked by the government. In fact, there is no request that has been put forward by the government for the same. But the politics around it has begun after, look at the screens, after on Twitter, the Reuters World account was not available. Now, the Congress party claims that this is muzzling of voices and news being suppressed. This is the claim that has been made by the Congress party. Several Congress leaders have taken to social media to go on to claim that the voices and the news is being suppressed in the country. But government sources have confirmed that this was not a request that was put forward by the government.